gonna buy batteries for the Gangnam Style because the Gangnam Style's batteries are flat. What's it? What's the batteries?
The one, but it's fat. It's fat.
It's what?
It's fat that comes now.
What's the batteries? The batteries are what?
The fat that comes curry. On the curry that comes now it's got not batteries on it.
Where's the batteries?
Gone.
What's wrong with them?
The guy took them away from me.
But why? Why did Daddy take them? Because what's wrong with the batteries?
Because I need to buy Daddy.
No, but why do you want to buy Daddy? Because Daddy's just trying to fix the Gangnam Style for you. Because the batteries are flat.
What's wrong with the
What's
Gangnam?
batteries? What's wrong with the Gangnam Style's batteries?
What's wrong with the Gangnam Style?
I was at my cousin and my Aki and my